Standard 5th Maths, first chapter, Roman numeral, practice set 1. So, see, to write these Roman numerals, Romans, they use alphabet I, V, X. So, I stand for 1, V stand for 5 and X stand for 10. सी आप लोगों को I, V, X ये तीन अल्फ़ाबेट के मदद से आप लोगों को ये रोमन न्यूमरल्स लिखना है. सो wherever you see I, you have to write 1. आपने कहीं पे भी V देखा तो 5 लिखना है एंड X देखा तो 10 लिखना है. नाउ सी 1 to 5. See 5 we know how to write, that is V. But to write 1, this alphabet and this alphabet can be repeated thrice. Alphabet I और X 3 बार repeat हो सकते हैं. So when you have to write 1, so I हो गया. But when you have to write 2, जब आपको 2 लिखना है, so that will be I plus I. That is, this is a Roman 2. If you have to write 3, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 thrice. So according to rule you can repeat this thrice. Now how to write 4? 4 को कैसे लिखेंगे? We know that 5 we have this alphabet. So 5 आप लिखोगे like this. So but how to write 4? So to write 4 we have to do subtraction. So how we will do that? Means 5, ये जो 5 है उसके पीछे 1 लिखेंगे. ओके 5 के पीछे 1 I. So this is 4. Now when we go to write 6, in Roman numerals 6 first always larger number than the smaller number. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So 5 plus I, that is 6. Now if you have to write 7, so 5 plus 1 plus 2. See 5 plus 2, that is 7. 5, 6, 7. Now 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This is your 8. 9 and 10. See for 10 also we know that we have to use X. So before 10 we have to write 9. So minus 1, 10 minus 1. So that means I will come before X. See 10 minus 1, 9. Same goes with 4. 5 minus 1, 4. 10 minus 1, 9. Okay. So let's see. Write all the numerals from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. So just now we learned, see 1 stand for I, 1 I से बनता है. Now 2 यानी 2 I, 2 okay. 3, so 1 2 3. Okay. 4 means what? 5 minus 1, so 5 and minus 1 before we write. So this is 4. Then 5 we have alphabet V. So 6 is what? 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. Then 7, 5 plus 2, 7. Then 5 plus 3, 8. Now 10, to write 10, see we know we have this alphabet for 10. So 9 what we will write? 10 minus 1. 10 के पहले 1. So that is 10 minus 1, 9. So 11. 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 2, 12. Then 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 4. See we know how to write 4. So 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 6, 16. Okay. 10 plus 16, 17. 10 plus 7, 17. 10 plus 8, 18. And now 19. How we will write 19? We know how to write 9 now. So 10 plus, where is the 9? Here. So 19. And then 10 plus 10, 20. See, this is your 1 to 20. Write the following numbers using international numerals. See, we know that V is for 5. Then second sum, V plus 2, that means 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now X is for 10. Then X and 3 dash, that means 10 plus 3, 13. Now we have 10 plus, see, this is symbol of 4. See, 5 or before 1. So 5 minus 1, 4. So that means this is 4. So 10 plus 4, 14. Then 10 plus 6, 16. 10 plus 8, see, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 18. And this 10 minus 1, 9. Okay. So this is the answer. Third question, fill the empty boxes. Number, Roman numerals. Now see, 3. So we know that I plus I plus I. This is 3. Now this V stands for 5. Then 6, 7, 8. So that means here we have to write 8. Then 6. So 5 plus 1, 6. Now see, 10. 10 plus 2 is how much? 12. 15. So 10 plus 5, 15. And then 10 plus C. ये 10 है, उसके पहले 1. That means 10 minus 1, 9. So 10 plus 9, 19. So this is 19. Okay. Now let's see. Write the numbers using Roman numerals. So 9. This is 10 or before. Whenever we write before, we do subtraction. 10 minus 1, 9. 2. So 1 plus 1, 2. Then 17. So 10 plus 5, 6, 7. 17. Then 4. So 4 is how? 5 minus 1, 4. Because I we can repeat only thrice. So 5 minus 1, 4. 11. So 10 plus 1, 11. 18. 10 plus 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 18. Okay. In the table below, each given numbers is written in international numerals and then again in Roman numerals. If it is written correctly in Roman numerals, put tick mark in the box under. If not, put cross and correct it. Okay. So see, first one is what? 4. And they have given 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 डंडी दिया है, तो ये रॉन्ग है. ओके, ये हमारा सम्स रॉन्ग हुआ. सो राइट वन क्या हुआ? 5 minus 1, ये करेक्ट आंसर हो गया. देन 6, 5, 6, ये करेक्ट है. देन 8. सो दिस इज अगेन रॉन्ग. 8 हम कैसे लिखते हैं? 5, सॉरी दिस इज रॉन्ग. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू say wrong. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Then again 16. So this is 10 plus 5 plus 1 6. So this is 16. So yes, correct. Now 15. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. This is wrong. ऐसे नहीं लिखना है. 10 plus 5 15. This is the correct way. Okay, in your textbook this is given that something more. There are more alphabet which is used in Roman numerals. See, I, V, X we learned. So more alphabets are L, C, D, M, which stand for 50, 100, 500 and 1000. With the help of this alphabet we can write further. 20 के आगे लिख सकते हैं.